Welcome back, guys, to the Hollis Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. I'm just coming on really quick to show you guys how I plant my corn. This is corn that we harvested last season from our own stalks. I can't remember what we used to grow. So I think this may be gentleman's corn, or I don't know. It just was ours from last season, and I don't remember the seed we planted. It could have been a hybrid. I'm not sure. But anyway, so I'm going to take 5 of these and put them in. I'm just going to dig it, put my finger in, put my finger, cover it, one in the middle, cover it, one on this end, and that one, and pat it in. When they get about an inch or so, I take them out and I plant them. So this is our corn, and then we're gonna grow early golden bantam. This is a hybrid. Ambrosia sweet. Peaches and cream. Peaches and cream. And Sunny Days sweet corn. This was on sale. I didn't pay that for that. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys really quick how we plant our corn. And yes, this is the one that I use for our corn. And I don't know what I did with the tank for it. Oh, okay, there it is. So we'll put that there. Like I said, when it grows about an inch or two, then we'll go ahead and plant them in the ground. Not sure where I'm going to put my corn this season, but it's not going to be in that corner over there. It's not going to be in that corner again. So we're going to figure out where we're going to put our corn. But like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, grow. Many blessings.